So, Manchester United have completed their first deal of the window. They don't plan to stop there. Let's get more on their transfer plans with Dharmesh Sheth, who joins us in the studio right now. So, Mount is done. Where do United turn their attentions to next?
It looks like the two priority positions are striker and goalkeeper now. The goalkeeper situation, the priority, where it is in the priority list, seems to be fluctuating nearly every single week with the future of David De Gea so uncertain. He's obviously now out of contract, he's a free agent, but dialogue, we're told, remains open between the club and De Gea over a new contract. But United, as any big club would do in that situation, are doing due diligence on other goalkeepers, and they have made a move now for Inter Milan's Andre Onana. They have made a bid worth 45 million euros, we think. It's 40 million euros initial payment plus 5 million euros in add-ons. And that move is being driven by Erik ten Hag, the manager, because Onana played under Erik ten Hag at Ajax. The early suggestions